July onwards, if you are starting your preparation for TISNET, then you should keep some pointers in your mind and also do's and don't. So in this video, I'll be telling you the common trap and do's and don't. This is what the maneuver patent dialogue. Rush preparation will burst your preparation. So if you're starting your preparation from July onwards, you should not rush in your preparation without knowing the detailed syllabus. Some people take the suggestion from the friends and the family. So this is what the another mistake. So you need to understand your friend and family have not written the TISNET exam. So how can they will guide you? Other thing what people do, they google up the information and they prepare those topic also जो कि exam में important नहीं है. So this is what the another downfall where people come across. So even if you are starting your preparation from July onwards, you have a much time for the preparation, guys. You can strategize your preparation, plan your preparation, and then start executing it. Next is about the maths. The day you are watching my this video and starting your preparation for TISNET, maths का basic अभी से चालू करो guys, so that you can rid off from your phobia from the maths and you should build up your confidence. If you want to hold on your grip into the maths, guys, so you should be confident about the section and avoid all kind of a fear from the maths. Also maths में होता क्या है कि when we done with one topic, उस पे आपने कुछ question solve कर लिया, that time we find ourselves comfortable with that topic. But उसी topic से अगर थोड़ा सा twisted question आ जाता है, then we get lost, guys. So that is why I always say concept को पहले understand करो. You should understand the concept first. After then, what is the logic behind the question type, and finally comes your calculation, guys, which is nothing but the maths. So the moment you see the question, you need to understand which topic, what is the concept, what is the logic, उसके बाद maths apply करो, guys. And do understand, guys, TISNET का जो एग्जाम होता है उसमें UPSC एस्पिरेंट भी एग्जाम्स को लिखते हैं, which means उनका GK काफी बेटर होता है, but they are not good with the maths. So here you can take the advantage. Also at the same time you have to work upon your GK, guys. So in GK you have to work upon the static, current affairs and business. So why people bog down in GK section? Because they think कि GK अपन last में prepare करेंगे and we hit the good score, which is the kind of a myth, guys. GK you have to prepare bare minimum 6 month, but मैं advise करूंगा 1 साल तक का GK आप अच्छे से करके जाओ. So look at the data, guys. 6 month to 1 year का आपको GK पढ़ना है. Last के 1-2 महीने में आप कैसे prepare कर सकते हो यार? So which is not possible. Again it will be a kind of a rush preparation. So that is why at Maneuver we do monthly GK discussion, जिसमें आपको करंट न्यूज को लेकर के एंड उससे रिलेटेड स्टैटिक क्या आ सकता है एंड बिजनेस क्या आ सकता है. ऑल दिस डिस्कशन गेट डन इन योर लाइव क्लासेस. So guys, TISNET take care of your 40 marks of GK out of 100. So you can see it have a high weightage in the exam. So that is why day 1 से आप GK की preparation चालू कर दो. Don't start your GK preparation in the last, guys. So if you're starting your preparation from July onwards, so firstly start with your GK preparation from June and after then do complete all the monthly GK जो जून के पहले वाले, मई अप्रैल वाले. So that जून onwards जितने भी monthly GK है वो आपके कंटिन्यू चलते रहेंगे और प्रीवियस भी आप कवर करते रहोगे. Okay. And for English, I only suggest all time to everyone, reading is very important thing. So start reading newspaper, guys. Reading is the only solution to grab good marks in the English section. So if you are good in the reading and the comprehending the data, this section will be a cakewalk for you. Next is, if you are targeting for TIS, make sure you should achieve your target, guys. And that can be done if you devote your 100% for the preparation. Next is about the mock test. Mock test program we have launched, 25 mock launch हो गया है. So kindly check the mock test program जहाँ पे आपको weekly एक mock add होते जाएगा. So you can attempt this mock test, which is very crucial. And for live classes, you can contact on this number. Online team will guide you about the online classes. And if you don't have a books, you can order the books for the preparation. And for any query and assistance, guys, please post in the comment box. I'll be happy to reply you. Do subscribe to the channel, guys, because I'll be coming up with the more videos about the TISS 2021. All the very best. Thank you.